Okay, today we're going to talk about um, different forms of how you can find lines, and also we're going to talk about slope and how we go about writing problems, just the basic concepts of them. The best equation to help us find a line, if we're given some information, is called the point slope formula. And this is what the point slope formula looks like. You start off with the general y. You subtract away a y1 coordinate from your point, and that's going to equal the slope of the line times our general form of x minus our x coordinate. So this is an important formula to know. You'll normally be given a slope, again, which equals m, and you'll be given a point, which is x1 comma y1. And you can see that we've got our slope goes here, our x1 coordinate goes here, and our y1 coordinate goes here. Now these 2 points right here are x and y. Those are just going to stay x and y. Those are going to end up being a part of our y equals mx plus b when we are finished. But this formula is very, very important for us to know, as it makes our life very easy when we go and and when we're given a slope and a point and we're trying to find a line. Second thing that you want to know is our slope intercept form. And most of you already know this. It's been drilled into your heads probably since 8th grade. That is y equals mx plus b. We really want all of our lines to be in this form, because when it is, we have a single y over here on the left side, because then we have our slope. So whatever number is attached to x, that's our slope. And we also have our intercept, which is our y-intercept. So we already know not only exactly where it crosses the y-axis, but also what the slope is. So we can very, very quickly draw our line. And we'll do those very, very quickly in the example problem video. Last thing we want to talk about are parallel and perpendicular lines. Now, for parallel lines, we have the same slope. So this will be same slope. So basically m equals m, or m1 equals m2. So the slope of one line, line 1, and the slope of line 2 are exactly the same. So you just need to make sure that you match those up. For perpendicular, if we have a slope 1, these are going to be what we call opposite reciprocal slopes. So it's important, both opposite and reciprocal. So if we had a slope m1, so just some number, this is from our first line, then the perpendicular slope is going to be negative 1 over that. Okay, so that's what that will be. Our other line is going to be not only opposite, which in math is a negative, but reciprocal, which is 1 over that number. So we're going to use these in the example problems to find different lines and to graph them.